tired, baby. Say hi. Hi, Papa, Grandma. Hi. I'm gonna go get Becca from school now. This is the car we just got. 2008 Expedition. Very comfy. Tons of room in this thing. Oh, I know, buddy. He's way back there. They actually have a middle seat, though. I could put him in that one, especially for longer trips, more than 5 minutes. To go, it pulls forward all the way up to where, right here where the cup holders are. It'll pull all the way forward so the baby's within reach. Hi! Hi, buddy. We'll get Becca? Sissy? Anyway. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And we're off to go get Becca. Bye-bye.